Next theorem related to circles. The angle subtended by an arc, the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So the theorem is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double than the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. So this is a circle. This is arc A, B, center is O. The angle subtended by arc at the center. Now this is angle AOB. Now we have to prove the angle subtended by this arc on the remaining part of the circle. It means angle ACB. This is the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. So we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to twice of angle ACB. This we have to prove. So given arc AB subtends angle AOB at the center and angle ACB at the remaining part of the circle. ACB at the remaining part of circle. So to prove angle AOB is equal to twice of angle ACB. To prove angle AOB is equal to twice of angle ACB. Construction. Join CO and produced it to D like this. Join CO and produce it to D. Proof. In triangle AOC, angle OAC is equal to angle OCA because OA equal to OC radius. Therefore angle AOD is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA. Exterior angle property by exterior angle property. Or we can write angle AOD is equal to twice of angle OCA because angle OAC is equal to angle OC. This is first equation. In triangle BOC, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Again because OB equal to OC radius. Therefore angle BOD is equal to angle OBC plus angle OCB. So this is equal to twice of angle OCB, again by exterior angle property of triangle. Exterior angle property. Now this is second equation. Now 8, 1 and 2. So angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to twice of angle OCA plus twice of angle OCB. Angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to angle AOB and twice angle OCA plus angle OCB. Now this is equal to angle ACB. is equal to angle ACB. So the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double than the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the hence proved. Next theorem. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. This is circle, center of the circle O. Now we have to prove that angle in a semicircle. So let this be the angle in the semicircle. This is A, this is B and C. So we have to prove that angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Given AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of circle and it subtends angle ACB. To prove angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Construction: join CO and produced it to D. Join CO and produce it to D. Prove angle AOD is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA. Therefore angle AOD is equal to twice of angle OCA because OA equal to OC radius. Therefore angle OAC is equal to angle OCA. Now let be the first equation. And angle BOD is equal to twice of angle OBC plus angle OCB, and this is equal to twice of angle OCB again because OB equal to OC radius. Therefore angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Second equation. Now wait first and second. Therefore angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to twice of angle OCA plus angle OCB. Now angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to angle AOB. So this is equal to twice of angle OCA plus angle OCB is equal to angle ACB. Now angle AOB is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So this is equal to twice of angle ACB. So twice of angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. So angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle, hence proved. Now take some example based on the previous theorem. In figure ABC is a triangle in which angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Prove that BC is the radius of circumcircle of triangle ABC whose center is O. Given a circle triangle ABC, center is O. Now it is given angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Solution: angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to twice of 30 degree. This is equal to 60 degree. By the theorem that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double then that the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. Angle subtended by it on the remaining part of circle. So angle BOC equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle BOC, OB equal to OC, radius. Therefore angle OBC is equal to angle OCB equal to X. Therefore X plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So this is equal to 2x equal to 180 degree is 60. So this is equal to 2x equal to 120 degree or x equal to 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. Therefore triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle. So OB equal to OC equal to BC, and which is equal to radius. So this we have to prove that BC is equal to radius of the circle.